shit. He bought it for the low.
What you know about that, Clean? Your favorite mobiles we were just talking about. Which one you want? Which one you want? This gonna what you putting there? 6.2?
Yeah, 6.2 out of a 21 Silverado. 21,000 miles.
21. That's a fucking LT motor.
Yeah.
It's different. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Have you done one yet? I got one at the shop right now, and we're having some problems with it.
Really?
Yep. It's not like doing the LS, bro. It's the same shit.
Still got to do the DOD delete.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah. That's the one I built for Pop back in fucking
That's your Pop's old one?
2001.
Damn.
Yeah.
Still sitting off in it, huh?
Yep. He gave it to my little brother, little bitch ass. It's been sitting ever
Got the
since.
candy. Somebody threw a handful of flakes on that motherfucker. Sucker on bags?
Not big switches.
Is it?
Yeah.
Cut thing. 71?
70.
70? Oh yeah, 1 year, huh?
Yep.
What y'all doing to this one?
I did the tubular fronts. Got all the suspension right. Fucking. He bought a radiator that didn't fit, so I fucking modified it. Fucking cut it, dropped it, so it fucking fit a big ass 4-core. And then now I just gotta do a little bit of wiring. We're trying to get him to buy the 455 to put in that.
He's gonna LS this one?
Yeah, we're gonna LS this one.
That boy came for a floor pan and never left, huh? That drop thing, 6'8", huh?
Nah.
Same shit.
Yeah. They almost did that.
I thought y'all did the floors already.
No, I got everything. I haven't pulled it out, but I got a new frame.
The frame's toast on it?
Here's a frame toast. Look at that. Jeez. Right here.
Yeah, look up there too.
Yeah, no, but it's overlapped right there.
That's old school customs 90s shit, bruh.
Slap extra piece of metal welded.
I would have just fixed the frame rail on it.
This one just went.
This is the same one that's sitting right there?
Yeah, it went for floor pan steel.
You ordered them or no? Yeah.
Back orders they said till February.
I got another 455 sitting there in that drop, the convertible at the house. Yeah. I'm about to fucking pull that one out and do LS on it too.
This one he fucking spent like 8 bands on the fucking engine and it was like shit.
All